Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
End product of progesterone metabolism found in urine is pregnanediol is the end product of progesterone metabolism found in urine. Clomiphene citrate is an anti-estrogen. Clomiphene citrate is indicated for Steen-Leventhal syndrome. Clomiphene citrate can be given for Steen-Leventhal syndrome, which is polycystic ovarian disease. It can also be given for ovulation induction in infertility. Following are features of inhibin. Inhibin is a non-steroidal water-soluble protein. It is secreted by Graafian follicle and it stimulates FSH secretion. Inhibin inhibits the secretion of inhibin. Increase the secretion of inhibin is seen in polycystic ovarian disease. I'll explain this question again.
thank you and thank you for watching.